Hello and welcome to Moisture Matters, the show where we take your everyday and not so everyday objects and test them to see which has more moisture. Today we're testing ibuprofen. Which do you think has more moisture, Advil or its generic counterpart? Let's find out. The two tablets were stored in their original containers throughout testing. To test them, we ground each brand of pill using a mortar and pestle to maximize sample surface area, cleaning and drying the mortar and pestle between products. After weighing the sample in their respective sample bottles, we placed them on the transport, entered their weights into the moisture analyzers, selected the correct program, and started the test. From issues with product stability and tablet compaction to microbial growth and drug degradation, moisture can cause a wide variety of problems for pharmaceutical manufacturers. To ensure the final product meets quality standards, manufacturers have to closely monitor the moisture content of all formulation ingredients, including APIs and excipients. Manufacturers also have to maintain strict control over ambient moisture throughout manufacturing and storage. Many pharmaceutical ingredients are hygroscopic and will absorb excess moisture from the environment or even from their packaging. This is one reason that many tablet producers include some kind of desiccant capsule or cotton ball within the final package. Moisture can also be introduced during various manufacturing processes, such as wet granulation and coating. Manufacturers often test raw materials before production and test products during or after they are sent to the dryer to make sure they are dry to their specified dryness level. As you can see from our test, the name brand Advil has approximately 1.4 times the moisture of the generic ibuprofen. Since these two products have the same active ingredients, the difference in the final moisture content can be attributed to the different excipients and coatings, as well as different manufacturing processes and packaging. Neither of the pill bottles contained a desiccant of some kind, so that was not a factor. Thanks for joining us on Moisture Matters. We hope you learned something today, or at least enjoyed watching us test the moisture content of Advil and generic ibuprofen. If you did, let us know by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, in matters of moisture, nothing matters more than Moisture Matters. If you like this video, click on the box to the left to check out some of our other Moisture Matters videos. Have something you want us to test? Suggest the next Moisture Matters topic by clicking on the box to the right.